Hello everyone and welcome back to Basic Concepts of Math. Myself Akash Jaiswal, and today I'm gonna talk about very basic concept of math, which is nothing but learning about the numbers. Whenever we talk about math, we talk about numbers. Numbers are very essential part of our day-to-day life. Be it measuring my height to buy something as simple as tomatoes. You need to know certain numbers whenever you're buying or giving out money. Numbers are very essential part of our life. So therefore today in Basic Concepts of Math, we are starting with a very simple and very fundamental concept of math, which is number system. When we talk about number system, we usually talk about real numbers. Real numbers are the numbers which are usually used in your calculus, geometry, day-to-day life, everywhere. Therefore real numbers are such important concept. And when we talk about real numbers, what are these numbers? Basically, real numbers consist of two types: rational numbers, irrational numbers. Now students, let me ask you a question. When you listen to the term rational and irrational, what comes to your mind? Yes students, you're correct. Rational means something logical, definite. Irrational means something illogical, indefinite. Let's get back to this and try to understand what is rational number and irrational number. When we talk about irrational numbers, all the numbers which do not have a definite value. Please students, do remember this part. Please do remember this part. All the numbers which do not have a definite value is known as irrational number. Let me give you an example students. We know about pi, right? Usually we use pi as 22 upon 7. Now when you try to divide this value, please try it at home. You get values such as 3.1, 4, 1, 5, 9, 2, 6, 5 and so on and on and on and on. Let me tell you a fun fact students. If you guys try doing this division, you might fill your whole book but you will not reach the end of this division. That is the reason we say that all the numbers which do not have a definite value are known as irrational number, and pi is one of the examples. Now let's get back to rational numbers. What are these rational numbers? Correct students, all the numbers which have a definite value is called as rational number. Let me give you a few examples. Say example 9 upon 5. If you take 9 upon 5 and do a division, you will definitely get value 1.8. This value cannot be changed and it's not a never-ending value. It's a value which is definite, which is not changing wherever you do the division. Therefore, such numbers are called as rational numbers. Now, when we talk about rational numbers are usually related to ratio. Now, how do we denote a ratio? It's very simple. P upon Q. Now, students, do remember one very important part of rational numbers. Whenever you are representing in terms of a ratio, the Q value should never ever be equal to 0. Now you might be thinking, sir, why should not have a 0? Let me give you an example. What if you take 2 upon 0 and start your division? This division will never end students, and therefore anything divided by 0 is an irrational number, not a rational number. Therefore, whenever you learn about ratio or rational numbers, do remember Q should not be equal to 0. Please do remember, if it becomes 0, it becomes an irrational number and do not remain a rational number. Now moving further, the P should be an integer. Now what is an integer? This rational number consists of a lot of varieties of numbers. Therefore, we are trying to get inside the rational number and see what kind of a number the rational number contains. So when you get inside the rational number, you get to know there are integers within the rational numbers. Now what are these integers? Integers are any value which is negative, 0 or positive. So when we talk about rational number contains all the numbers, ratio, decimals and integers. But when you talk about integers do not have a ratio or it do not have a decimals. It have perfect values, say -3, -2, -1, 0, so on. And when you get inside the integer, what is there is a whole number. Whole numbers are all the numbers starting from 0 till infinity. And what is within whole number is a natural number. Natural number, as the name suggests, these are the number observable in the world. Can you observe 0 rupees in your hand? No, there is no currency like 0 rupee currency or -2 rupees currency. Therefore, everything which is existing in nature, which can be counted, are called as natural number. Say example, you have a 1 apple. It's 1. You don't say 0 apples I have or -2 apples I have in my hand. So those are the natural numbers. I hope students it is making sense to you guys and you have got this basic concept clear in your head, because whenever you are learning about math, you should remember what all the numbers. Thank you students. I'll see you back in the next video explaining some new basic concept to you guys. Bye.